Do you ever wonder how to make professional teaching videos? Have you ever thought about creating engaging educational content that captivates your audience and makes learning a breeze? If so, this video is the answer to your queries. First off, it's essential to understand that the backbone of any professional teaching video is a well-crafted script. This is your roadmap, the blueprint that guides your video creation process. A good script ensures that your video is organized, clear, and concise. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Be conversational, make your script sound natural, engage your audience with wit and sophistication. Next, you need to focus on the visual aspect. The use of a green screen can dramatically enhance the quality of your video. A green screen allows you to superimpose anything you want onto the background. Whether you're teaching a complex mathematical equation or explaining the solar system, a green screen can transport your audience into a world that makes your subject matter come alive. To implement this, you'd need a software like OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a free and open-source software suite for recording and live streaming. With OBS, you can apply the chroma key effect, which is essentially the technical term for green screen. This is how you remove the green background and replace it with your desired image or video. Now that you've set your stage, it's time to record your video. Remember, your face needs to be visible alongside the screen. This makes your video more personal and interactive. OBS Studio allows you to do this by overlaying your webcam feed onto your screen recording. Once you've done your recording, it's time for post-production. This is where you edit your video to make it polished and professional. Use a video editing software to cut out any mistakes, add music or sound effects, adjust the lighting and color, and insert any additional footage or images. Finally, before you upload your video, watch it. Watch it as a viewer, not as the creator. Look for any areas that can be improved or any information that might be missing. Remember, the goal is to make your video as informative and engaging as possible. In summary, creating a professional teaching video involves crafting a compelling script, using a green screen for visual effects, recording your video with OBS Studio, editing your video for polish and perfection, and reviewing your video before uploading. By following these steps, you can create professional teaching videos that not only educate, but also engage and captivate your audience. So go ahead, take that first step, and start creating your educational masterpiece today.